Ebani development of Ghana. Say yakase ene. Yeni na ya kwanyem Ghana. NDC ni MPP. Ya kwanyem Ghana. Yeni na ya si ebi ayenje. Na wakonya jeje onu trimu oden osi atrini. Obi ansa ni di mfrim. Yes, sa yenye dia yedugu mu frim a Ghana bebo akola ntumi mfomo. Because they have nothing, Diva. God is my witness. Say this party NDC has nothing. The only thing they are good at all the time, then they say, "A DNA be cafe Diva who be Diva who about time."
Abuso from Mamuna no kwaba the Ghana and same TV so. No more so like video the best subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. Send be next time. Videos of this nature about on sabit me akabi. Now so watch our comment section them I. Say the munyam you from Mr. President. Na say the die from Mr. President and one be so mo na from pina. If by chance they offer na person contribute to your work. The person boy adwuma ya na ade the patron number na was on you can reach out to yen. Na yes abeka na beda was so. Na Mr. Saka video na ka say adudi nya metiase. Me nka say pi no me ko video me ko ba stay tuned no me ko ba bia me ba na discuss issues bi. Yon ko message here.
But me talking about Obi make comment be say afedie anifrafo ne hwan for kra no na me bi say is this the first time one NDC for amaye hu ne say one year sabio yare ana dem ana bibi abo ma brabo mu no NDC for onwene omo hwe NDC for your party bia on pese ube free with tibia na wo mu no mu because u free mu a ube hu asetena papa ne hu asetena papa ne policies enye den enye important to you no more enu nti na nka obenye obi pa beka kire wo say healthcare obepo healthcare meanwhile ye penti sebio bridge ho e de kire na eno ye papa chi obi you see baby your politics na ekono Diva, ya. John 1:1 obaye no. Your friend BB Ekropon School of the Blinds ne school ane wo. Oma no mo yare ne ade dem ne ade
School of the Blinds.
Good. Na omni na ho. Under Mahama, all disabled schools in Ghana had to shut down. 2014, 2015. You can Google it and one can say yaba. This is not the first time one. Or just this time no one more chere won ade no so no ode aka mo. Obi oye ni friend ni na wetumi abon no modern akọ school a na Diva wa be teacher ni. Na onipa kon no se biom preduasa ekokoye na yi a adwuma wie a osi untua ne ka. Now he comes again and he's telling you say, "Oh, me ba bedwene wo ho me ba disabled for meye mu say and you still cannot pay disabled people." Now let's talk about the interchange saga with Amoakohene. Why do you think why do you think Amoakohene is doing that?
Up a fame to know say be our ye juma.
And you Mahama no. Or no, forget the Mahama actually no more fanning in Anton Nina secondary. The Amoakohene no or ye because we who say or ya bon sem mano. And for now come over when we say no be on no be see interchange in the mamma. We were by 8 years to be just your Wednesday. Onyame ada Roma obi abebe wia mame na wo be penti a wo se wo no ye papa change obe si sa interchange no ye kasa asem we wonyansani be nkrom e ma ne to na so mi bisa mo nti na make say
bibi so e crowd was so no interchange o ma penti ana
o dey forget say we e graffiti nti no it doesn't even matter mame e dia me can say me dia make can e very simple minua dia make can e very simple say Amoakohene say Yamon Semum Freno, Yantonio Momano, Aden Yantonio Momano, Yantonio Momano because OBS interchange, Amo no a pinti, into your nona buying a papa, a chain the no ya then, the onu see, Sabi interchange, you know. Okay, Now, some number crash was good to me hard. Moya and trying the tablet to the man, and I'm there, my bread. Sorry. Now, Amwakohine is doing all of this because Onim said, any pana or cater to know. Woman making sure say ya junior balowa must say ni to make us 2,500 and you can see it 3,100. Diva, are you getting the trajectory I'm going?
Yeah.
And that is why he would have the infantry to come outside to say, OBS interchange monwako painting untino. Yemo nuninsia kongon. Now, I have always said this, and I will keep saying it. Say, Diva, say a bunny development of Ghana. Say ya kase ene. Ye ni na ya kwanyem Ghana. NDC ni MPP. Ya kwanyem Ghana. Ye ni na ya si ebi ayenje. Na wakonya jeje onu trimu oden osi atrini obi ansa ni di mfrim. Yes sa yenye dia yedugu mu frimu a Ghana bebo akola ntumi mfomo. Because they have nothing, Diva. God is my witness. Say this party NDC has nothing. The only thing they are good at all the time, then they say, "A DNA ye be cafe Diva who be me Diva who about time." A DNA ye be kama sebi will be a journey say will be a real baby. A vanity free. A DNA and crofo we antena wanka. Ni ye real way, and then almost almost be GSC maye. Mama ya to aba mamu. E Kuffuor ba ya oka say tifri wo ho no ye tumi chichi nkrofo kokko gigi skani bi. Ye di bi tumu attorney general tumi ko win some of the cases including one against Gabi Ochreda law firm. E mani discover Ghana. Who Ghana ni utie me bisa ho say NDC focus say ye wie school ye omo ba ye peswa ben na wo matumi agye free MPP because ye hia says can dey develop Ghana. Ye here says can they develop Ghana into the NDC for no more say Sika MP before we are here, Sebio Omudi, because it was all a lie. Give the dog a bad name and hang it. That is all the NDC did. And the young Kasa young crop for nine there, paint to whom he had tia pomudin. And then Regia Momusune Yechan ye inspiration tree. First, what was Santa Maya, the be a diva mekase, Asanti and your crew, and your mind. Diva, answer na akwesibro ni ba no mu omo court ne omo den ni bibia dada o send a den engineer de no mu woni ni na dada. Enti afa de na de ba ne sen. Minu Asante ni na de ba ne sen. The Sofo line interchange and Crawford with Diva just to let others come in. Yeah, the Sofo line interchange. Yeah, the Jan Crawford with President Kuffuor ma preso. Yeah, Papa Mills be di ya nyo. Ya nye. Mahama Benya 4 years plain plus extra time. Wa nye. If I have to take a Kuffuor. Sa painti omuye. The first person to put paintings and stuff on Sasofo line interchange, yeah, we are saying, you know, was Nanado's government. We didn't can't do utum for pictures and a bubo who be an service and now we wait to me a bridge and ask baby and the light near the in our bubo. Obi say, obesi 3-tier interchange amount. Obi buy on say on fata 3-tier interchange you. Into your fan koto aza paint. Near fembe painting mamo. Na yanti interchange in the sombre too. Interchange is something I want to have and say, ya mount. What are you people doing? Divine and Sammy who are by you be who to say young lady kakrobe baby and 35 small. Diva or Jedianya or Jim Kokon Kitten. Diva meaning dear cameo, meaning dear cameo, but I'm a near tennis you. Because I'm looking at the potential of this woman. And she has settled, say, baby or brother duno, see a man a cocoa bacos on Fanco Fian Koyenia or Pebrea Bias Ebrate. Ah, Ghana, why? Why?
Okay, fellas, Petrol, let me come through like and Bande is here too, right? Hi everyone, I have a question. Petrol interchange, you know, who finished it? Because I don't know, the moon himself was sure I turn on Facebook that minister no.
Say
Mills and the baby or Kuffuor started in 208. Someone say
catch and say
yeah, I don't know because I correct
yeah. So who
unity bunja di amoke kanu tie di amekano muntie di amekano hano. There is no interchange in Kumasi NDC finished, started, or even continued.
But it's going to be difficult to defend it, right? Because you see his power question likes no. Just no drag it Paula Domotre no in his response no. I know Kocho said these are the facts. So Diva, you've seen it, right?
Yeah. Unity.
Also point unity.
Unity te di Americano. Unity te di Americano. Interchange is a wokuma se papa ni na no Yes, start say yes no. Na mo akohene. That time na o JSS 2 was JSS 3 afi na okotro BEC. It no say a kind history of Asante and Kumasi a on kan nkoda no ntum. Me just say I don't know what is wrong with Ghanaians. Say Papa Penny Papa Penny wa KN University. Diva. Wa KN University. Western Ade. We are learned. Now what's na homa akoda we ya nansen ya all start ya boxer shorts papa. Ebe ka kire wo say interchange ya wo ho ansa na ye ya wonim ho abakwasem no. NDC ni MPP nti be ka say NDC for na ye. Wa bodam. Babada, you can't ask them no way. Diva, sebe dia Ghana econo when me say NDC should show us which of the interchanges in Ghana, especially in Ashanti regional, omo ne kate sword say ubimra meye. Omo beton ye Diva, they couldn't do it Diva. Let me tell you when the Sofo line interchange was actually coming to, let's say, pretty much away completion. 2021, NDC na newa bem. Sometime no krepo no na omumbi eni na ntumu ye te said the na omo ehunu we. What are they talking about?
Yeah.
NDC that Ben what where the wood diva when you so fee ya be me hu oba hu papa hu boni a wugina we. That Ben what say NDC for election e ka say yeah papa ayina Rollins na di we ba mo hwe so nto aba mayen. Yeah, papa,
me kumasi me said that me yes me said that me
do matem odi China man panyini na ate odi obi atem enti se akwa we no unim na wo se owi a okọ Cuba akwachi Cuba so president no akọtwe won so oyo no enti se akwa we no se unim na do kwase akọtwetwe jimilete bi no mbekuye nyina ono amuku ayi efezen Areni a man panyini or the Jimmy na mo Russia beba we beba was you ba America omu okoku omo who say country biaba country for no cross the omu bedinachi omu cast omu medinachi no the oil omu di odi omatom social media I just say ti say nipa we no yes you osuro bi owi ase on ti say unim na mo de mo kwase am ba mfaso bi amam so na mo de mo Jimmy kwatwetwe Jimmy lete bi ba ha na me so mumu a on memo obiel dikaku wo Ghana wa ansana Trump no bu abefu abeja abom ato Ghana be kumnipa asiafo mfaso bi anim so mmoa asia akofo ade na teso na ne ba awia san kofa mansa ana black voter o sensu anka Ghana mo memi akọ muni twa so ate ntafo agimefo NDC fo mmoa asia Ibrahim mama agimefo no tantan be ma tantan kwase ampanyini ma wia sika o man sika to private jet man 2012 amaya say ya obibia ho kire o man ya maburu nya adwuma nya maba mbe bi hweso bi adwuma private jet obi dada mo se yasa kukuro man sika nyina akoto private jet ama boy na sa ankwase asem we anyway kwase am nsanfa mabu na adwuma yesi yezan mo yes kame o maji nipa 500,000 ya bo amom akwaje bosia betua forms ya bra enim si yem form kwasiafo stupid people nipa no te wono umie adwuma ma no onsan kwaje bosia mra aban na aban ni san nyini free because aban ne ekronfo na modi Jimmy ne na mo Jimmy ambo pa mo bi akuma ma no ene asiedu nkatia ne Ibrahim ma no kwasiafo odi okuje to no unim na wo beye mabombo trambe na so oba beku Ghana fo a ehon na ma nante akonifi otimachire a na maka say any ma me nkyerem baabi a Ghana for mo frɛ Ghana military base min baabi okugye to ne yere ne mawo munkoku omo first na mo mfa bom mo nante nko nkoku omo na ma beye warm up obi anche baabi akukugye to hye bia mo nkyerem na Trump meku ono nko adan say wode bom we abeto abeku obi a okuro nko ha Iranian fo no eno ya o makokum nipa more than 800,000 and so no mu yi nipa 4 pe almost 1 million people because Iranian for na Jimmy Trump now say